Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm reviewing Patriot Software, a payroll and accounting platform that's been gaining attention from small business owners. If you're running a business and want to simplify payroll or bookkeeping, this review will help you decide if Patriot is worth it. What it is. Patriot Software is an online platform designed to help small businesses handle payroll and basic accounting tasks. Instead of juggling spreadsheets or expensive systems, Patriot offers an affordable and user-friendly solution that keeps everything in one place. How it works. Once you sign up, you can set up your employees, add payment details, and run payroll in just a few clicks. It automatically calculates wages, taxes, and deductions, and you can even file payroll taxes through the system. On the accounting side, you can track expenses, create invoices, and generate financial reports. The dashboard is simple, making it easy for non-accountants to understand. Who it's for. Patriot Software is best suited for small to mid-sized businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs who want a reliable but budget-friendly option for payroll and accounting. What people are saying. Users generally like Patriot's low pricing, straightforward setup, and excellent customer support. Many say it's less intimidating compared to bigger platforms like QuickBooks or ADP. On the flip side, some users feel that the accounting features are more basic and not as advanced as dedicated accounting software. Pros: affordable pricing compared to competitors, easy-to-use interface, great for beginners, reliable payroll with automated text calculations, strong customer support. Cons: limited integrations compared to larger platforms. Accounting features may not be enough for complex businesses. Some users report a learning curve at the start. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you're a small business owner looking for simple, affordable payroll and basic accounting, Patriot Software is definitely worth considering. But if you need advanced accounting or lots of integrations, you may want to pair it with other tools. And that wraps up this Patriot Software review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.